Good morning. So I just got a 15,000 USD account right here evaluation to prove that passing a challenge is easy and it is not luck. Okay, so this is the 15k account right here. Okay, 999. You can see at the end the login. Okay, I don't wanna drift lower because from there you just see the account. Okay, see the account password. So this is still the same account right here. I've logged in 999, still the same account, 15,000 USD. So I will go through every single thing. I'll explain every single thing, show every single trade that I take, and it will be that simple. Then at the end, we'll go through the account metrics, and then you can see exactly how I performed and confirm every single thing that every single trade that I took. So it's super simple. Let's see exactly how this goes. So what am I looking at today? I'm on Euro USD, right here, Euro USD. I normally trade Euro USD, GBP USD, AUD USD, and gold. Those are the only pairs that I'm interested in. So what I'm expecting as of today, I'm looking to sell, to be selling. Okay, so the first for the week, I'm looking to sell. So today is on Tuesday. Just woke up. Now we have about 6 minutes to kind of H4 kind of close to make our decision. Okay, so I'll be showing every single trade all the way to the end. Okay, so I'm looking to sell Euro USD, but if this first trade fails, I'll then be looking to sell up here as the high of the week, and then we can ride the trade all the way, catching about maybe 100 or 120 pips. Then you'll see. That's for Euro USD. We also have GBP USD. I'm also watching GBP USD right here. Similarly, okay, I'm also watching AUD USD, but this one does not have any opportunity because I gave this trade yesterday right here and then ended up closing right here at night. I don't like holding trades overnight. Yeah, that's it. But ended up flopping, okay, overnight, which is fine. I don't like holding trades overnight. And then we also have gold. We also have gold right here. We sold right here yesterday, took profit here at night, about 50 pips or something. So on a Monday, that's fine. Yeah, so any relevant link will be in the description below for the challenge. If you want to get a challenge like right here, they are 15k, which are super cheap by the way. 15k goes for 99 euros. If you use my promo code, link in the down below, you get 10% off. Even 60k account, you get a quarter meal, half a meal, a meal, okay, which is super cheap. Quarter meal goes for 999. Then you have a meal goes for 3k euros. If you use my promo code down below, you get a 10% off. That's fine. So now we are done with that. All the trades that I'll be taking, I'll be dropping them right here on the free Telegram channel, link in the description as well. Right here, I normally give my trades there for free, so check that out as well. So let's see how this goes right now. Okay, speak to you soon. Hey guys, the candle has closed, so I'm looking to sell Euro USD. That will be my first trade. Not the very sweet trade, but let's do it. Okay, it still meets my criteria, so let's do it. So I'm going to risk 1% at first. New account. So 1%. Let's go short. Okay, 20 pips. Okay, before we do that, I'll just come here. Boom. The stop loss is about 20 pips right there, and the TP should be somewhere here. So that's about 92 pips. So that's about 92 pips. That's cool. A risk to reward of 4.6. Okay, so let's see how that goes in the next coming couple hours. So I'll be dropping this on the private group, tell them exactly what I'm looking at. So just copy image on the free channel, the private group as well. Right here, Control V. And then this is Euro USD. Boom. And also on my my private group. yeah, so that's it. I just did that, so it's done. So now we can set the stop loss here and the TP. So the first thing I do, as soon as I see an opportunity, the first thing I do is just post instantly. So I don't want to think about anything. All I want is just post, so that if the market moves really fast, at least they will catch the move, right? This will be at around 0.7, and then the stop loss here will be 119, or rather 12, which is about 20 pips right there. So that is 20 pips. We are risking 150, which is 1% on the first trade and the second trade. Then on the third trade, if we lose on the first two trades, we drop the risk. Okay, and then the reward right here is about 680, I would say 690, yeah, which is about 4.6%. so let's see how this goes in the next couple hours. See you later. Bye. Trade dropping nicely. This is about 1 hour 30 minutes later. Okay, so far so good. You can see right there we are about a risk to reward of 1%, no, 1 point something. Okay, so the market is moving nice. Oh, dropping huge. Okay, and I also wish I just took GU. GU is moving way better than even Euro USD, but that's fine, that's fine. So this is how you stay disciplined. You can see GU has already moved like almost 50 pips, so far. Okay, so it's easy. It's not really that hard, so long as you stay disciplined and you know exactly what you are doing. You can see the chart right now is black. Okay, I like it black when I'm trading, but when I'm recording, so that it's more visible, I prefer using white. Okay, for you guys, so that you can see the chart well. Okay, so let's see how this goes in the next couple hours. So right now, how I'm going to manage my emotions and get disciplined is by making sure I don't make any trading decision in between the candle. So when the candle is moving, I'm not making any decision. I'll just wait. So until the candle closes, I'm not making any other decision. So it's still the same trade. So even if I look at profit and loss here, I don't care, because I can do nothing. I'm sitting on my hands right now. Okay, not literally, but you understand. Okay, so that's about it. It's dropping. So GU, we missed on that. So Euro is nice. Okay, not we missed on it. We cannot sell GU and EU at the same time. It's basically the same thing. So EU here it is dropping well. Okay, AUDUSD was also good. This trade we missed. Okay, I wish I held. We had a nice 3% risk to reward right here. Okay, 3% reward right here yesterday. If I were 3.6 actually, if I held this trade, but it's okay. I still do fine. So we still have gold as well. I'm watching gold. So since GU and EU have already gone, so now once I get a good setup on right here on GU, on gold, so what I'm looking at is for this candle to come and close below this. So if this candle closes bearish, so bearish right there, there you go, below this low, because you can see how the market moved here. This was a low, pinged out to form a high, dropped to form a low, and then we sold here because we understand how things are. Okay, and then now if we can get a break low here, because I'm looking to take profit here, this one will be the low of the week for gold, because gold is potentially on an uptrend generally. Okay, so I'm looking to buy somewhere down here. So if this candle closes right here bearish, now I'll be looking for a selling opportunity. What I'll just do is just wait for a slight pullback. I'll have a sell limit, and then we can be able to ride this good boy all the way down there. Okay, or Googa. I'm a dude and I'm straight as fuck, so saying riding a good boy is not really my thing. Okay, so here we are. So that's it. Okay, one more thing, guys. I've decided to open. So I decided to open a free, not literally a free one. So it's a group where I'll be helping multiple people who want to pass these evaluations. So if you want to pass an evaluation, any evaluation, phase 1, phase 2, or both, okay, you can contact me. The link in the description. Okay, I will add you on this particular group here. So basically it will be Sam Nyamo live. That's where I'll be giving all the trades to help you guys pass evaluations. It's strictly for people who want to pass evaluations. So the charges, the fees are very simple. Only $100 for every $10,000 account that you are looking to pass on the challenge. So if you apply for 10,000 USD on an account, okay, 10,000 USD on an account, that's the ProFarm challenge. You only required to pay me $100, and then I give you all the trades, and then from there you can pass the evaluation, because I understand it's harder to pass the challenge than to make money on the funded, because now the psychology is different. When you get funded, it's easier, because now from there you're only looking to make profit and withdraw. But for the challenges, it's fucking difficult, because now you are focusing on not losing the account, making money at the same time. Passing a challenge that you're not getting paid, it's way difficult, and so fucks a lot with your psychology and the mindset. So that's why I've decided to do this. So if you want to contact me, and then what we'll be doing every day, I'll be posting the trade that I'm taking here, guiding you on exactly what to do, what percentage risk to use at a particular time, depending on the account and everything, all the stuff. So the link will be in the description. Check that, contact me directly. Then right here, every day, everybody will be posting their results. Just tell us, boom, 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 show us, I made this, I made this, I made this. That's fine, okay? And also, right here on the trading psychology, I'll be guiding you on how to manage and the psychology behind trading using ProFarms and everything. And also you can post if you have you are struggling with maybe holding trades, maybe a psychology, you just post here and then I guide you through. So we'll be having multiple topics around there. So it's only $100 for every 10K account. So if you decide to have a 20,000 account, maybe on a different ProFarm, not necessarily the one I'm recommending, but this one is the best, because even if we all place the same trade on this platform, they have no problem. Not like other platforms where they say if multiple people place trades on the same trade at the same level, they will close the accounts and all that. So this one has no problem. So that's why I'm recommending it. Everything will be down below if you like to. Okay, so that's about it. I'll be guiding on everything here. Yeah, so that's it. So contact me for every $10,000 account you want to pass on a ProFarm. I'll be charging you $100. So if your account is 20K, you'll have to pay 200. If it's 50K, you have to pay a little bit more. Maybe those getting 100,000 USD account, maybe they'll get a discount on the evaluation and all that. Maybe just contact me. I'll have decided on the payment plan and all that. So yeah, so let's go on as we wait to see exactly how the market moves. So we'll be taking gold in maybe 1 hour 30 minutes. It's currently 9:30 a.m. The candle will close at 12 noon. Okay, so that's about 1 hour 26 minutes. Now 25 minutes or something. Okay, yeah, so in the meantime, EU is moving nicely. In the meantime, EU is moving nicely, dropping. You can see even down here. And then I know GU is even flying, because GU is dropping way nicer than even EU. So yeah, so see you later. Let's see how this goes in the next couple hours. 1 hour to making our next decision. So not exactly 1 hour, about 47 minutes. And the trade is still dropping nicely. You can see we are almost halfway to our TP. That's nice. So still the same trade right there, currently up about $300. Still the same account, same trade. I've not taken any other trade today. Yeah, so as we wait, so in the next about 46 minutes, we'll be making the next decision. But I don't see like there's any decision that I'll be making right here on EURUSD. I'll just leave this to continue running until later today in the evening. So as of now, I'm just looking at a potential trade on gold. So since our EURUSD is already in profits and it is moving nicely already, we're about 40 pips, I think so. So we're about 40 pips. So now it's time to look for another opportunity somewhere else, and then we can ride the move all the way again for the rest of the day. Now we can just have 2 trades. We can just break even this one, the EURUSD trade, because if the market comes back all the way back here, that means the setup is not valid. That means there is no momentum to keep pushing downwards. So I won't want to be in the trade. Okay, so we are up about 30 pips. How I wish we took Geo. Geo is currently like 70 or something, like it's moving. Geo is normally on steroids most of the time. It's like 70, 80 pips. 80 pips. We would already be 80 pips right now, but it's fine. I chose EU because it was a little bit safer and looked a little bit better. Okay, so safer in terms of choppiness. So that's fine. That's fine. So let's wait for Geo. For gold, we'll be taking a short trade right here. So once we make the decision right here, so it's time to step aside for a few minutes, and then we'll be looking to catch another 4.11% right here. So for EU, we are targeting, was it 3% or what was it? For EU, it was about 3-4%. Okay, so 4.6. So if we take these and we hit TP, okay, and then we take the next one on gold, that is about 4.6, then plus about 4% right here, that's about 8.6 or something. We'll only be left with about 1 point something, I think 1.6, 1.8, around 1.6, 1.8 there to finish the evaluation. Just like that. Super easy, super simple, straightforward. Okay, just keep it very, very simple. Okay, if you'd like to learn exactly how this strategy works, this is not the normal strategy like where I'm just using candlesticks. There are a bunch of other confirmations. You can see I have volume here, have the 20 the moving average right here. There are a few other confirmations that I need for this particular strategy. Okay, yeah, so if you would like to learn, you can as well contact me. It's like $150 for the entire sessions, and then you'll be good. So we'll see how this goes. So let's wait. Okay, see you later in the next 1 hour. Oh, by the way, somebody will comment below somewhere, like if you're doing well for yourself, like on trading in percent, why don't you just apply for propfirms and all that, and then you stop teaching, blah blah blah? Why are you charging me? Come on, look at this. We only control about 5.5% of the entire forex market. Only 5.5%. Okay, so do you think me helping you and 100 other traders will make any difference on the strategy? It won't stop working because I have helped like 100 people or 150. No, this is a very, very small percentage. This is a 6 trillion US dollars market cap, daily volume industry. Okay, so 5.5, that's about maybe 500 billion. So with us trading propfirms with 15k, 30k, 100k, what difference does that make? Makes no difference. Okay, come on. So yeah, I just wanted to clarify that, because every single time you always get somebody who is negative towards stuff. So we only control about 5.5% of the entire industry. Every single trader in the world. Okay, so teaching you and maybe 2 other people will make 0.000%. Okay, difference in the market. So yeah, so why not just trade for myself, and on my free time just help other people? You saw I took this trade at 8 a.m. For the entire time I have tried to just distract myself. Went back to sleep. I could not sleep. Okay, woke up, checked a few things on the phone, got on YouTube, watched a few stuff. I have nothing else to do right there. So why not just spend my spare time helping somebody else? Like maybe pass their challenge. It will make them happy, okay, at the cheapest price possible. I'll just keep myself busy that, or maybe teach somebody, okay? Because these are an easy strategy, very simple. So I don't need to do anything right now. I'll just sit on my hands until for the next 40 minutes to make my decision on gold. Then from that, I'll sit my hands again for the next 4 hours. So all I need is about 5 to 10 minutes every 4 hours. Okay, so on weekend I know exactly what I'm looking for the following week. So then from there I want to be looking for entries towards the direction that I'm looking at, and that's it. It's super easy, and trading most of the time you're supposed to be waiting, not executing. So anyway, I understand. So I just wanted to clarify that. Yep. So let's just wait for the next couple, maybe 40 minutes. See you later. moving nicely. The candle has closed, so we are looking to sell this one too. So I'm looking to short gold right here. So I'll take about maybe 0.5, so risking about 200 US on this. So that's about 1 point something percent, or maybe I can use 0.4 to risk about 200. Is it 200? So I'll be risking about 1%, about 160 US right here, 160, 170, 180, because the stop loss is about 43 pips. So yeah, so let's do that. Since the other trade is still running smoothly, boom, the stop loss is 1, 2, 3, 1935, 19, the stop loss is 39.3, GP is 1917.4, so that's good. So on this trade I'm risking about 170, 172, so that's okay. So let's see how this goes. So I'm expecting the market to pull all the way down here, all the way down there. Yeah, so let's see how this goes. So on Euro USD, the trade that we had before, it's still running right here. You can see it is still running the same. No other trade has been taken here. Yeah, so let's see how this goes. So that's how you trade basically. It's super simple. Since this trade is in profits, now at least I know this. If this market comes back up here, I don't want to be in this trade, so I'll just get out. And the new trade, if I lose, I'm only risking 1% of the trade for the day. I'm supposed to lose 2% according to my rules. You remember the rules I gave you in the morning on the earlier in the video? Yeah, so that's it. So let's see how this goes. I'll be sending this on the free channel and also the private group, and exactly then from there we can communicate on exactly what to do. Or maybe no, I will just send this on the private group for now, because I like sending just one trade on the free channel, then on the private I can have multiple. So this is for the people that I have taught trading before. So yeah, so see you later. Let me post that as I post, so that you don't see the I don't expose the conversations. I'll be breaking even this trade. Okay, so let's just modify and have our stop loss at 0791, so about break even. Okay, the trade is already up about 40 pips, so that's safe now to just break even. And then so that you can now leave the trade to hit our TP all the way down here. If it comes back, stops me, that's okay, part of the game, as we wait for the market to drop all the way lower. Okay, so for now I only have a sell limit slightly higher, so once we get a pullback to there, we'll be looking to sell all the way back down. So let's see how this goes in the next 4 hours. So I'll be sitting on my hands for the next 4 hours, maybe just on YouTube. Okay, so see you later. Still dropping nicely right here, you can see that. Can you believe this trade dropped without me? This is about 50 pips, 47 pips so far. Okay, that could have been another nice maybe one, so far 1 to 1 or maybe 1 to 1.5, but it's okay, happens a lot in trading. Okay, so I'm still holding my Euro USD, as you can see down here, still the same account, no new trade, just the same 2 trades. And I'm waiting for the candle to close in about 25 minutes. So in about 25 minutes I'll be making my next decision. So this is gold. Okay, then we have Euro USD here. Let's see if it will have hit our TP here. If it does, this will be super nice, because now we'll only be looking for 1 potential trade, and then we are done. Maybe 2, maybe 1.5 tomorrow, and then we are done. So that's it. Yeah, and it is dropping nicely, so I like it. So let's see how this goes in the next 25 minutes. But I think I will be closing the trade if it will not have hit TP, because you can see right here the volume has not increased right here, so there will be no potential sellers to keep pushing the trade lower, especially today. There's no news. You can see yesterday there was only 1 euro news event. Okay, so today there's no news. So if this one does not increase volume, that means there will be no volume to keep pushing the market lower. So I'll be waiting in the next 24 minutes to make my next decision. So tomorrow on Wednesday we have one USD news. It's okay, ISM, not really a strong news, but it's okay. So let's see how this goes in the next 24 minutes or something. Okay, so see you later. Now closing the trades. The trade right here, yeah, I think it's not really that good to just hold on it. Okay, I'm not so sure if this thing will continue dropping, but you can see the volume has not increased, so I don't really trust this trade. Could reverse all the way up or go down. So in this case, I'm just taking this profit, and then we wait for the next setup. Or should I? Let's see. These are the kind of decisions that you have to make, like trading. Okay, do I take this? It's about 48 pips or something, like around there. So around 50 pips, but I think I'll just take this and wait for tomorrow. Okay, yeah, so currently, oh, sorry about that. So currently the account is about maybe 2% up, about 2% up. So yeah, maybe this thing will just drop lower. I'm not so sure about this, because you can see the rejection right here. The candle is very neutral right here, and the volume did not increase, which means anything could happen now. So it could just reverse or just go down. So maybe I can just drop the stop loss right here. Okay, like right here. So if it goes above that 48.0748, I'll be happy to get out. How many pips will that be? That would be about 42 pips. So yeah, so let's do that. 1.0748, but it's damn doing that. 0748. Okay, let's do that, because anyway I'm looking to take this trade, this profit. So instead of that, let me just do this instead, because I think the market will still drop. No, really. Come on, fuck it, let's take that. Okay, cool. So we are up about 2%, so we'll finish the rest tomorrow, because I don't think we have any more setups today. If we look at gold right here, I've also closed my sell limit on gold, because I don't think this thing will trigger and drop. I also don't like this particular trade right here, but maybe I could hold on it and see exactly what will happen. Okay, so the stop loss on this on gold is about 170, so I'll lose half my profit. So is that really worth it for today? I think I should call it a day today and just wait for tomorrow. Yeah, boom, done. Okay, first trade 2%, that's okay. We've created a buffer, so let's keep rolling. See you tomorrow. Hey, brand new day. So this is day 2. I've taken 2 trades right now. You can see this is Euro USD right there, and GBP USD. They both move similarly, so it's almost a similar trade, but at least they both have different stop losses, and that's all. It's cool. So I'm selling all the way. They have a nice setup, and I believe this market will move all the way to here. Okay, so let's see how this goes in the next couple hours. Something else that I'm watching is gold, potentially for a drop, but I don't want to over risk, because I've already risked 2% for the day, so I'm just leaving that as well. Okay, but unless now the market moves my direction, I break even, then I can look for another setup. The next thing that I'm looking at is GJ. Okay, so this is a good buying area right here, but there is no confirmation on the entry, so I just chill and maybe wait for the next 4 hours to make my entry. Okay, yeah, so I know you guys think that I'm just using candlestick patterns. No, there are a lot of other factors that you need to combine to understand and to know exactly where to trade. Okay, so when you see the momentum coming in, you know exactly at what volume, at what price, and everything to get your entries. So yeah, it's not really that hard, but let's see how this goes in the next, I would say, couple hours. So I would say 4 hours. So we are stepping aside for the next 4 hours. and then yeah, so whatever comes. Okay, so this is still the same account right there, still the same account. Yesterday we closed at about 2%, so we are risking basically 2% whatever we made yesterday. So in case we hit TP today, the market will also be awesome, because we'll be looking to almost finish this particular challenge easily. Okay, so we'll see how that goes. So on this particular trade on EU, we are looking to grab about 670 US, and on Geo something close to that as well. And you can also see this is where the demand zone will be. So if we exit right here, that will be good. And also some orders, these might be attracted to the buyers down here, so you'll see. Yeah, and this one we are looking to grab about 650, so that's fine. So let's see how this goes. Hopefully if we manage to catch this move nicely, then we can add another position on a different pair, and then we'll be done with the challenge today. If it stops us, we will be back to break even, and then from there we continue tomorrow. That's it. That's part of the game. That's how we do it. Okay, that's exactly how you do it. That's the mindset, and that's it. So let's see how this goes in the next, I would say, couple hours. See you later. So today is not really the sweetest day. The market is slightly slow. Okay, currently about we are up about 21 pips on GU. I closed the trade on EU. Why? Because the market looked a little bit slower on EU than on GU, so I just decided to just flow with GU and leave the EU trade alone, because it is a little bit more stubborn here than on GU. Okay, so that's how you also manage the trades as well as the market goes. So we'll see how this goes. You can see we are up about, I think, 20 pips or something, 20 something pips by now. Yeah, and we also have 27 pips now, and we also have some news events coming right here in about 18 minutes, in exactly 18 minutes. So we have some news coming, so we'll have some volatility coming here to push the market or break even. Okay, or just shoot up higher, and then we end up closing the trade at break even right here. Okay, so now the news will be coming. The news is either your friend or whatever. Okay, so just come, bring the volatility. We either hit our TP. Okay, we either hit our TP right there, or maybe the market will maybe just push, maybe slightly lower, then back up, then whatever, we'll see. But today is not the best day to hold the trade. It's a little bit slow today. It's a little bit slow. I hope the news works towards our direction. That would be awesome. So let's see how this goes in the next couple hours. So still the same account, no more trades apart from the other ones. So as we wait for this one to either drop or push back up, let's see how this goes in the next couple minutes. So I'll just keep myself busy for the next couple minutes. Is that right? Yeah, so see you later. Boom, dropped nicely. So we are looking to take these. Currently the account is about 4% now. Boom, I think the market is pulling up. Yeah, so currently the account is at 15,666. What the fuck? Okay, so that's what I'm going to take on that, because if you look at what is happening right here, I'm not going to trust the market to drop all the way down there, because right here we have a weekly demand zone. So there will be a lot of pressure right here to keep the market afloat. Okay, so the market might even be able to push even higher, so I don't want to hold longer. And you can see that we were only just a few pips from TP, like only like about 7 pips to TP. Okay, so there's no need of risking all this, giving back about 60 pips. I've closed at about 60 pips, closing at about 60 pips, giving back 60 pips just because I want to make an extra whatever. Okay, so I think that's cool. We still have a risk reward of 1:2 point something or something. I've also updated on the free channel right here, on the free channel, and also on the private group as well. If you want to join, every link will be in the description below. So yeah, so that's the update so far. We are just about, how many, we only have about 900 US to finish this thing. So tomorrow, if we get 2 trades, each one of them giving us about 50 pips, boom, we'll be done. Because we'll be using about an extra lot. We'll be using one lot tomorrow per trade, okay, because we have a nice buffer there. Okay, so let's see how this goes tomorrow. Yeah, currently done for the day. See you later. The trading market moving nicely, so we've taken this particular trade GJ. You can see the market is dropping nicely. Okay, pull back, and now we are expecting to catch about a few hundred pips. So not a few, maybe 100 and something pips, so about 120 pips. Okay, so let's see how this goes. I mean, this trade GJ, you can see sold right here, stop loss up there, and we are looking to catch about 600 and something. Yeah, 600 US right there. So currently the market is moving nicely. So let's see how this goes in the next couple hours. Okay, so in case this market moves nicely and drops, we'll break even as we wait for the other pairs to mature up, so that we can also take other trades. Like on Euro USD right here, I'm looking for a reversal day today. So today is a potential reversal day. So I'm expecting something like this. So this one was a low, push up, push slightly lower, and then break that, and then we can look for something like that, then buy, maybe catch a few pips right there. So this will happen maybe today, maybe tomorrow. We'll see later in the day what will happen. So that's what I'm looking on Euro USD potentially, and then on GBP USD as well. Okay, we are also looking for a reversal day here, drop somewhere, pull back, break that, then pull back, and then you can look for a buy right there, maybe in about 8 hours or 6-7 hours. So we'll see how that happens. Okay, yeah, so yeah, that's about it. So currently I'm just in GJ. Yeah, do you have anything on gold? On gold as well, we are looking for a potential reversal day as well, but this one has to break here, has to break this high for it to be a perfect reversal day. Okay, so let's see how this goes anyway. So we'll give it a few hours. So I'm not making a decision, a new decision on GJ until in the next 2 hours. So for now, we can do some other stuff. See you later. Nice, the market is dropping. Okay, so all the way we are about 60 pips now. So we are halfway as we wait for the market to drop all the way to the next level right here, so that we can catch about 120 pips. So that's about an extra 60 pips. So let's see how this market goes in the next couple hours. So currently up about 300 bucks, and you can see the equity is about, currently if I close right now, almost $1,000. So if we can take this profit right now, okay, the next trade that we are looking at, we will only be looking to grasp about 50 pips, and then we'll just be done with the evaluation. That's it. We'll be done with the evaluation, and then that's it. We go to the next phase, and we'll be done. Okay, but for now, I don't see any reason to take profit right now. So I just have to wait. I just have to hold the trade and wait for this candle to close and make my next decision. Okay, so let's see how this goes in the next couple minutes, if this will just disappoint us or what. So let's see. Okay, yeah, so I'm making my next decision in about 1 hour 17 minutes, 1 hour 17 minutes, and we'll be good. So let's keep ourselves busy. Currently up about 80 pips, 74. It's dropping quite fast, but I think I'll be taking this particular trade. I'll be taking the profit, since I don't like this level. You see this zone right here, we might have some problems right here, and we are exactly that zone. So you get maybe a push to maybe here before dropping again. So I don't want to risk that, because I think we are already above 1k right there, already above 100 or something. We are already above 16, so we only have one extra trade targeting 50 pips, one lot, and we'll be done with the evaluation. Boom. So let's take that. So currently the balance, same account, I've only taken like few trades, every single trade has been profitable. Every single trade, apart from just one trade that I exited at a break even, like $50 or something. That is a break even to me. So every single trade right here, nice. So this one, boom, profitable. You can this one profitable. This one was the break even trade. So basically almost every single thing has been profitable, so we're good. So let's see how this goes in the next trade that I'll be taking. It will be only one trade, target 50 pips, done, because I'll only be targeting about 50 pips using one lot, which is about 500 US, which means from there 500 US will be done, because we're only supposed to make this account